Hi, Adam here at the ATM Team. You know, we're all about making a house a home, and one of those ways is doing projects around your house. Whether that's a big project inside the house, upgrading your home, remodeling a kitchen, or a bathroom, something along that lines, or if it's a fun little project that you get to do for your daughter like I did this fall. I made a nice little playhouse for her, and she absolutely loves it. Found the plans online. Nice shout out for Jen Woodhouse. Her website, I think it's just jenwoodhouse.com. Go check it out. So when you're doing this project, you can always modify it a couple ways. I did a couple different modifications where I actually added a deck to it. Her original plan didn't have like a deck, it was just on the ground. So I just did a 2x4 deck, put a 3/4 inch plywood top on it, so it was always off the ground. I modified the windows a little bit, trimmed out all of the windows, pretty much the way she did it on one of them, but I just did it on all of them. And then, you know, you could finish it however you wanted. I did just pine siding and just urethaned it, and then stained the cedar one by around here to make it look a little darker and stand out. One of the added benefits of actually building this playhouse, I'd say, is being able to experience those moments with Piper along the way. You know, as I was building it and, you know, just showing her the project, you know, step by step, seeing her reaction to that, seeing the imagination just take off in her mind of what it's going to be. Making a home doesn't just have to be about things with building this. Like, you're making a home when you're spending time with them, you know, in the kitchen or watching a sporting event, you know, drawing a picture. Those are all ways of making a house a home. And so I just want to bring you guys some inspiration. You know, if you're looking to make a playhouse, this is a great chance to just make your house into a home. And again, go check out Jen Woodhouse's website for the free plans that you have here. I'll link it in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'd be happy to give you some advice. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy this project as well.